Hi and welcome to this segment where we are in chapter 7 of our resource book Basic Engineering Math by John Pad. And in this chapter we would like to talk about simple equations. So the method used to solve these equations in this chapter are methods which are most likely already known to you, and we shall see methods such as maybe finding lowest common multiples, or maybe cross multiplication, okay, and what else? Basically around this. There's nothing new here. So I'd just like to summarize this chapter here by starting with the definition of an expression. So if we write this is an example of an expression, to be precise, an algebraic expression, okay, while if we wrote it in this form, then this is an algebraic equation. Okay, what makes it an equation is the equal sign. The equal sign here, an equation, is a statement that contains two quantities that are equal. So we have that the left hand side here is equal to the right hand side. Other examples include, maybe if we say that 1 meter equals to 1000 millimeters, that is an equation. Or if perhaps we have that degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times degrees centigrade plus 32, or if one could write that the equation of the straight line y is equals to mx plus c. All these are examples of equations. Okay, and then we have an identity. If we write that 3x is identical to 8x minus 5x, this is what we call an identity. And what distinguishes an equation from an identity is that an equation is only true for a particular value of the unknown. For example, here this is going to be only true for x equals to 2. Okay, it is only true for x equals to 2. 6 minus 5, 2 times 3 minus 5 will give us 1. Okay, and yes, this is going to be true for all values of x. It is true for all values of x. So that is why we say that an identity is true for all values of x, while the equation, it is a relationship which is only true for a particular value of x, or maybe particular values of x if we have maybe a solution set. So in this course we are mainly dealing with linear equations, and those are equations for which the highest power of the unknown is 1. Okay, the highest power of the unknown is 1. So if it is anything not 1, then that is not linear, it is something else, which we shall later on see. So the rest of the chapter is devoted on finding solutions to these simple equations. For instance, they say for x equals to 20. I'm sure by now you know what to do, that you divide both sides by 4 to get so that you can express the unknown in terms of non-variable. And then you have 6x plus 1 equals to 2x plus 9. You collect like terms, unknowns on one side and the knowns on the other side, and express the unknown in terms of the known. Okay, so yep, and other problems. Please look through the rest of the chapter. I am really hard pressed to see anything that may give you hard time. 3/x divided by 4. Maybe someone could decide to multiply both sides by the lowest common multiple of the denominators, x and 5, which is 5x, and then you multiply also by 5x, so that the x and the x cancel, the 5 and the 5 cancel, so you have 3 times 5, which gives us 15, and then 4 times x, which gives us 4x, and then you continue to solve. Okay, or someone could have done just cross multiplication straight away from there. And then what else? Other problems. 2y divided by 5 plus 3 over 4 plus 5 equals to 1 over 20 minus 3y over 2. Also, you can just do whatever is convenient for you. Maybe you first collect first like terms and then get the lowest common multiples, or you decide, whatever you do, please feel free. If there is any problem you encounter in this chapter, please put it in the comment section and it will help you. Otherwise, I expect you to sail through this, and even when it comes to the word problems, they are not that complicated. Scanning through the chapter, this chapter should be quite easy for you to go through, solving these simple equations by some of these methods that are already known to you. Thank you, and see you in the next video.